coming to you with some breaking news from planet 9113, otherwise known as Earth. 11 patients of the human species at the Garcia Newton Guard Memorial Hospital have experienced an outbreak of a mysterious bacteria. Let's jump to our human expert, Dr. Get in Trouble, for more information.
Thank you, Mr. Corvax 7. Here's what we know so far. As you said, we have 11 cases of sick humans that got the disease during their stay at a hospital. And most of these patients do have similar symptoms, with 7 having respiratory issues, 3 having a skin infection, but 1 did have a UTI. The only similarity we could find in their treatment at the hospital prior to retracting this disease is that they have received the same saline IV. With that, we have broken it down to medical equipment or doctors that could have caused the bacteria to spread to the 11 patients. I'll turn to my assistant, zepherion Voxx, to explain our hypothesis.
Yeah, so we have come to a hypothesis that the pathogen is bacteria, with the reservoir of human people. The exit portal seems to be a copper sneeze, which is an indirect mode of transmission, enters through the portal of the respiratory tract, and some humans who are ultra-susceptible to retracting the disease are those who are already immunocompromised. Now back to the expert in your trouble.
Let's dive into the actual hospital itself. So, during the time these 11 patients were here, therapy animals came in to visit, and at first we thought there might be a connection, some common factor linking their cases, but after reviewing everything, no similarities jumped out.
We then looked to see the route of each nurse and doctor in the hospital, but there's no connection there either. After that, we felt to check the hospital's receiving log, where all the medical supplies were coming from and going to. And then we realized that some of the antiseptic wipes that had come from the same place had all ended up in the rooms of patients.
Once we figured out where the bacteria originated, we were then able to determine it was one of 2 bacteria, either Staphylococcus aureus or Stereomonas maltophilia. And from there, we knew the next step, identifying the bacteria itself. We took samples from all 11 patients and the antiseptic wipe. We put them in petri dishes, weighed it, and started analyzing the bacterial colonies. The lab noticed that both colonies had the same yellow color, circular form, and convex elevation. We then figured out the real story. The bacteria in the wipes and in the skin samples stained the same. They had the same purple color, so they were gram stain positive, which meant that it was Staphylococcus aureus the whole time.
Wow, that's some great work, guys. Now, although all members of the Quarkian species are very smart and follow all the words you say, just to sum it up for our less intelligent viewers, basically, there's this disease on planet 9113, or Earth, that is caused by a bacteria called Staphylococcus aureus, which has infected 11 patients in a hospital on Earth. These patients got this bacteria in their system from some antiseptic wipes that were used on the patients who received IV, which, of course, is an indirect mode of transmission. And all of these people in this hospital are susceptible to this disease. However, there is no need to fear if you are off the planet 9113, as the Quarkian government has decided to eliminate the planet. Here's a live view.